Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to allow your camera and microphone in Chrome browser. So let's see. Very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and this is going to drop down. Come down all the way down below to the last part where you see settings. So click on settings, and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy and security. Click on that. Then you have to simply scroll down and come down below where you have site settings. Click on that. It takes you right here. You can simply scroll down, then navigate to camera right here. Click on camera. Then where you see site can ask to use your camera, click on here to allow the camera. Then we can simply go back to the page, and then we have to simply look for microphone, just like so. Then I have microphone right here. Then make sure you click on site can ask you to use your microphone, enable this. It's as simple as that. You can come to the top right here and choose the type of microphone system you have on your PC. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply allow camera and microphone on your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Chrome tech. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.